Hello, humans. This is I've been on YouTube, man, trying to search for all gray Glock 20, and all there is 19s. There's never an all gray Glock 20. So I went ahead and got one. You know, obviously this is not all gray, but this one is, and she is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Like, I was very impressed with the gray on this thing. Like, the slide in the frame is a little off, but this gray, man, it's almost like a tactical gray. And I was kind of worried that I wouldn't like it, but this thing is absolutely marvelous. So I had to get him a brother. Obviously I already customized it, just copped it today. Ordered it off of Impact Guns, impactguns.com. They have a wide variety and selections. So finally, now there's a video with an all gray Glock 20, 10 milli. You dig? So maybe I'll put a link in the description. But impactguns.com is where I got it. It took exactly 2 weeks for it to get to my FFL. So yeah, there you go.